Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of repair. Done this before. We're going to replace, if I don't drop it, we're going to replace our water pump in my fifth wheel here, behind me here. Replaced it before, so like on all fifth wheels. It's kind of a mess in here. I've been organizing it before I get back on the roads. So don't go, oh my gosh, it's a mess. Because it is. The water pump is behind this wall here, back in there. So I'll take this stuff here out. Yeah, you gotta be careful pulling this stuff out because look back behind here. I don't know if I can't see because it's dark, but I got vent here, TV connection, electric. So I gotta push this out of the way, and I just pushed it back this way and then that way when I get to the water. Here first of all. Double check before you take everything off. Make sure you got the right one. Same one. All you want to do that before you start taking apart. Find out later you don't have the right one if you got all disconnected. You got the right one here today. Okay. Our nuts off here. Use the same ones here. So put them right here so I don't lose them. There. Okay. This is where the water comes in. Pumps it through the lines here. Let's see if I have any water. Oh, there you go. Oh, I can't do that. Well, let's see what I'm going to do here. Oh, wait. Pretty cool back in here, though, how to get everything in here. Just like this. Excuse me, I got allergies today. Crazy. Ain't allergy medicine, I think. Okay. Okay, I'll wait till I turn the water off so it doesn't run all over the place. Okay. Disconnected this here now. I did have to turn the water on because it backflows. Okay, put this over here. I gotta get my water dripping there. Out of my way here. Try to keep at least amount of water from running over everything. Disconnect this side right over here. See, they make it easy for you. Change the water pump. I'm going to design an RV. I think the water pump and everything would be access panel to get to from inside maybe. Oh well, it's not. Okay. The water pump's out. So water, get a rag. Some more water up. Little towels are out for this. got the new water pump here. Same thing, same one. Well, I guess this one didn't come with the strainer. So we got pull the new strainer off, or the old strainer off. Had this off the other day, checking to make sure it wasn't dirty, but it come with a new one. A lot of times they do. All depends on which one you buy, I guess. Through there, okay. Since it's all plastic, you really don't need Teflon tape on here. You could use it, probably wouldn't hurt it, but we don't need it, so. Screws that I have in here. Probably right in here still. Yeah, that's right there. Got the wire nuts on now. I'm gonna go in and check to make sure the water pump works, and then I'm gonna come back and put. I always like to tape my wire nuts, make sure it's good tight, and I will fasten the water pump down to the floor. Some screws. I want to make sure the water pump's gonna work before I do all that. So, right back. Okay, we turned the water pump on. Inside the house, flashlight went dead, but that's okay. And water in the house. No leaks. Make sure. I always like to wipe things with a tissue, paper towel. That way you can really make sure there's no leaks. I really don't want to have leaks inside, underneath here. Okay, that feels like that's pretty good. And here's pretty tight. A little snug here, maybe. Perfect. This is on. Okay. Wire. Put some electric tape on my wire nuts. Just a little extra security hangs. It keeps it on there. Make sure they're on there tight. So that's how you do water pumping. I'll put everything back together in there, clean up a little bit. I kind of make a mess when I do stuff, but then I'll pick it all up, clean it all up, and hope this helps somebody. Put a water pump in. It takes about 30 minutes to take the water pump out and put it in. I bought mine on Amazon. It was $64. Got it in 2 days. It was all Prime delivered. I do a Prime, so $64. Figure about an hour by the time I take everything out, put everything back in there. But there's the culprit right there. Now, there's a water pump. We don't use it a lot, but when we want to use it, we want to make sure it works.